Good morning, second graders. I am excited to be with you today. I loved reading all of your April Fool's stuff yesterday. Miles's one with the lights and the refrigerator, we ended up trying that with Wes. I thought that was pretty funny. And I could hear Kenyon saying his as he would say, like, Grandma, my scooter and my bike are gone. And then I can picture Grandma running out of the house. So it's fun to see what you say so that I can reference back and hear some of you guys in my head as we go through. Um, Sienna's was funny too, where she said they put scary faces in the toilet, but they didn't know if it worked yet because her dad and sister were still sleeping. So keep responding to these things. It makes me feel like I get to be with you guys. So time for our greeting. I want you to look to something since we're working on social distancing right now and we're making sure that we have the distance between people. If you do go out for a walk outside, instead of shaking somebody's hand, because we can't do that, what else could you do? Well, one thing that my kids have realized is they think it's funny when they say, hi foot. So practice that with somebody near you. Say good morning by saying good morning with your foot in the air. All right, our share today. Today is supposed to be another beautiful day outside. It's supposed to be 59 degrees. I want you to answer this question for me. I want you to tell me what you would wear outside on a 59-degree day. I know what Callan would wear. He would wear shorts and a t-shirt. I know what Hadley would wear. She would be long sleeves and pants still. Regan, tank top and shorts all the way. Me, coat and pants. Still not warm enough to be without a lot. So in the comments section below, tell me what you're going to wear outside on a 59-degree day. Our morning message today says 4-2-20. Remember, the 4 stands for the month, April. 2 stands for the date, the second date of April. And 20 stands for the year, 2020. Hola! Hola is Spanish for hello. Today we get to add an extra activity because our brains are starting to stretch. Remember at the very beginning of our school year when we worked so hard on talking about our brain stretching and connecting synapses and neurons firing? Well, we fired them for a couple days. Now it's time to stretch them and give you some more activities we know you can handle. So our quote for today says, stretch your mind and fly. That's how we grow. That's how we learn. And that was by Whitney Young. I want you to have a great day today. Of Mrs. J. All right, I'm going to show you our assignments today. There's 3 things that'll be posted on there today besides the morning meeting and our read aloud. There'll be a daily 3 checklist that you can use, which I show you a new video on how to use what's called the draft tool. There will be a math exercise and there will be a reading exercise. So there's 3 Seesaw posts that you need to do today and submit so that I know that you did your jobs. All right, so I'm going to go into my Seesaw. Hold on, just switch my screen around. And here's my Seesaw. I have 1 thing left to approve, and it's because it's an art assignment from Liam. Liam did a great job showing a picture of his family. It's beautiful. And the art teacher, Mrs. Eckert, is so excited to see this, so I can't wreck her fun. All right, so our activities today. When I go into activities, they're going to be coming out to you here just in a little while. It says, there's 2 of them. There's a graphing one for math. So it says count, tally, and graph the sea animals. So the directions are, read the directions. Count the sea animals and tally using the draw tool. Make sure you cross off each animal as you go to count so you don't get something twice. Then use that tool to color in the bar graph to match your data. Answer the questions at the bottom, then click the microphone to tell what you notice about your graph. Click the check twice to submit. Second graders, you need to make sure you do all 5 of these directions so that when I had a response, I can make sure I go up here and click this again to get them. Okay? You're able to do this. I know you can. I don't want to have to send it back to you. So count them, cross them off as you go. 3, 4. Now, after you come to, oops, sorry, Mrs. Johnson made a mistake. So I need to go over here and use my erase tool, which is tricky for me to get to. I should have just done 1 thing at a time. So I'm going to go back to my draw tool. I'm going to do the octopuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to do my tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to cross over and then write my number 7. Then I need to go over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and color that in. Make sure that you use the right tool. And then at the very bottom down here, so you're going to have to be careful, which is the most popular, you're going to have to write it. Which is the least, write it. Okay? So that's that activity. Here's that draft tool that you'll learn about a little bit more too in a little while if you wanted to save it and come back to it later. I'm going to close out. I don't need to save mine. The other activity for today is a literacy activity. So over here, it's Harry the Dirty Dog story elements. So listen to the story, Harry the Dirty Dog, by clicking the link. So here's that link that you're going to click on. Then when you're done, click Add Response, click on the text tool, and type the answers in each shape. Use a microphone to record what you wrote. I want to hear your voices, and click when done. So listen to the story, come back, add response, and here it is. Who is this story about? Write it in the box. What is the setting of the story? You know the setting. It's where the story takes place. What is the problem? What is the problem in the story? And what is the solution? How do they fix it? Then, if you don't finish right away, you can click draft, or otherwise you click the checks and get rid of it. All right, last activity for today is your daily 3, and I'm going to show you how this works. So here is, where did it go? Oh, here it is. It already got assigned. So it says daily 3 must-do checklist. Second grader, to help you stay organized, I have created a daily 3 checklist for this week so you know what needs to be done. So here's a video of me explaining how to use this draft tool. Then use the worksheet. So I'm going to show it really quick. Add response. And now that I'm in there, when I finish my 2 seesaw activities, I can hit check, check. Maybe I get them both done. But I haven't done read to self or work on writing. So I'm going to hit that draft button, just like it says in the video. And it's going to think for a second. Oh, I can't do it because I'm the teacher. Oh, save draft. There it goes. And now I'm going to come back to my screen. And then I can go back to my activities later, find out that I haven't finished this, and yours will be an orange toolbar, and then you can continue to fill it in. Alrighty? I'm super proud of you. I know those are a lot of directions, but because you have this on video, you can watch it as many times as you want. Don't forget to share what you're wearing outside on this beautiful 59-degree day. I miss you. I hope you have a great day, and come back to listen to the read aloud later. Have a great day, guys.